Well, this has been a great experience for me to be here at the library at your summit. And one of the things that's actually very clear that the role of librarians is going to change. And that change actually is going to be a hugely positive change in the sense that the role will not be confined to this, checking books in and checking books out. It will actually go beyond being information sorter kind of a thing, making ensure partnership with teachers and partnership with other other schools, other content providers, so that it contextualizes all the content. So librarians will have a huge role to play in all this. One of the difficulties in our project that we've had, is the contextualization in terms of search, because there isn't a search system available that's particularly for the K-12 market. So if you think about that, librarians know how to sort things out. Librarians know how to create an organized system out of chaos. So if you can, help us. I'd love any librarians who want to step forward to help us to create a very, context-based search, which means it is about not just a kid who's in the 9th grade, English-speaking or non-English-speaking student who is either high-level student or a low-level student, to find a particular content in, say, physics. Now, if you put all those words in Google, you won't find, you'll be hit with millions of things, but it's really hard to find the exact thing that you need. So if we can, with the librarians, create if you help us create the backbone of it, we can create the mechanism, we can create the system, we can, the software system, so that it becomes really easy for everyone to find it. So, and we'd love, we'd be happy to share it. We're open. Actually, our content is all open, but our tools are supposed to sustain us, and we're never going to be charging like a textbook, because we don't want to create a parallel system. We'd like to create a new way of doing things. I think even if you get, less than $1 a student, you can, if 5 million students in California, if California gave us $1 in each, we have $5 million to create content, to create the system. We don't need that more than that. Even that is quite a bit. But, people working with us have to earn a living. So we are actually quite committed to what we're doing, which is about making access to information.
Could you say the name of your project again?
So at CK12 Foundation, we are committed to, access to information, because we realize children are not, not stupid. They are just born in different and difficult environments. So we'd like to help all the children who want to do something with themselves and help society move on and themselves and create meaningful life for themselves,
Thank you.